There you go. Hey, pass that guard. There you go. Attack her. Grab her legs, Josh. Grab her legs and pass that guard. There you go. Now. Get around her. Get around that guard.
Kayla, sarado mo yung guard mo. Sarado. Tayo!
They registered him under the
Let's go. Stop doing that.
right away.
Grab that leg. Side control. Side control. Now. Get that leg out of there. Get that leg out.
Hold on to that leg, Josh. Attack, Josh, go!
Yeah, stop backing away. I want you to take her down and pass the guard.
Sarado agad, sarado. Okay na. Up.
Stand up, Josh. Stand up.
Turn into her.
Up.
Knees, get him, Josh. Down, Josh.
Drive, Josh.
Pass. Yes. Get back that leg.
Okay, Kayla, go. Back take. Sakal. Close guard muna, close guard.
Close.
Okay, hilahin mo siya. Baby sweep. Go up. Tayo. Tulak. Nice. Tayo, okay. Go. Side control. Tulak mo yung paa. Okay. Cross face, Kayla. Cross face, collar. Kayla, cross face. Sige, kunin mo yan. Hawak sa collar. Okay. Heavy. Heavy, tingnan mo yung kamay niya. Binibigay niya sa'yo. Kayla, yung kamay niya, binibigay niya sa'yo. Arm bar. Ezekiel. Back take. Tayo. Up. Post. Nice. Choke. Good job.
She locked in the choke on the ground. She got bronze.